In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best flux core welders available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the Flux Core Welders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Flux Core Welders mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. SafeUp 250A/220V Non-Gas MIG Welder. The SafeUp semi-automatic household welding machine, boasting an impressive 250A/220V power, asserts itself as a stalwart in the welding domain. Its gas-free operation ensures a hassle-free welding experience, emphasizing both power and efficiency. This welder's inclusivity extends to the accompanying 1 kg 0.8 mm flux core soldering accessories, showcasing a commitment to versatility. Whether tackling intricate projects or routine tasks, this SafeUp welder caters to the needs of both seasoned welders and beginners, making it an indispensable tool for a diverse range of household welding projects. Number 4. HZXVOGEN MIG 145 Gasless Welding Machine. In the realm of household welding, the HZXVOGEN MIG 145 emerges as a flexible and responsive solution. Its gasless design, accommodating both 0.6 mm and 0.8 mm flux core wires, speaks volumes about its adaptability across diverse soldering requirements. Beyond its technical prowess, the compact design enhances accessibility, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists seeking a welding companion that seamlessly integrates into home workshops, providing reliable and flexible performance. Number 3. ANDELI Digital Household 220V MIG 250 Mini. ANDELI's Digital Household 220V MIG 250 Mini marks a technological leap in welding precision and efficiency. This synergic MIG welding machine operates without the need for gas, employing an inverter-based system for enhanced performance. The inclusion of digital controls adds a layer of precision, making it user-friendly for welders of varying expertise levels. With support for flux core wire, it ensures clean and effective welding, establishing itself as an indispensable tool for a variety of household welding applications. This Flux Core Welders link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 2. ANDELI MIG Welder Semi-Automatic Inverter Arc MMA. The ANDELI MIG welder seamlessly marries semi-automatic functionality with cutting-edge inverter arc MMA technology. Its standout feature, the gasless MIG synergy, positions it as an efficient flux core welding machine. Crafted with home use in mind, the MIG 250 model strikes a harmonious balance between power and convenience, earning its status as a dependable and adaptable choice for welding enthusiasts navigating a spectrum of tasks in their home workshops. If you want to get more information and buy this Flux Core Welders, please check the link in description. Number 1. ANDELI MIG 250 MIG Welders 3-in-1 Inverter. Ascending to the zenith is the ANDELI MIG 250, a welding powerhouse showcasing a 3-in-1 inverter that excels in MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding. Its semi-automatic operation, coupled with the inclusion of flux cored wire, positions it as a comprehensive solution for metal welding. This welder not only delivers robust power but also showcases unmatched versatility, solidifying its place as the preferred choice for those seeking an all-encompassing welding solution for an array of applications in the dynamic realm of the home workshop.